Hidden among the world's most reliable food crops is a group of plants that asks for almost nothing in return. Plant them once, and they can keep producing food year after year, sometimes for decades. Some even outlive the people who planted them. Imagine walking into your backyard 10 years from now and harvesting fresh food from a plant you haven't replanted once. It sounds almost too good to be true, yet gardeners have relied on this approach for generations. In this video, you'll discover 15 incredible foods that reward you season after season with surprisingly little effort. One can survive years of neglect and return stronger than ever. Another produces harvests so valuable they're often compared to precious commodities. And one overlooked plant has the power to completely change how you think about your backyard. By the end of this video, you'll know which plants can save you time, reduce grocery bills, and help create a garden that keeps giving for years to come. Let's get started. Number 1. Asparagus. Asparagus looks fragile, it isn't. Plant a crown once and it can produce spears for 20 to 30 years. That's not a typo. Here's the part most people miss: asparagus needs patience. The first 2 years you don't harvest at all, you let the roots build strength underground. Why does this matter? Because that root system is doing something remarkable, storing energy like a battery, season after season. So the plant can explode with growth every single spring without being replanted. Practical tip: plant in a dedicated bed since it'll live there for decades. Mulch heavy, feed it once a year. The payoff: free spears every spring for longer than most marriages last. But asparagus isn't even the toughest plant on this list. What comes next practically refuses to die. Number 2. Rhubarb. Rhubarb is the plant that punishes neglect by getting stronger. Ignore it, forget to water it, walk away for a season, it comes back anyway. Here's the surprising part: rhubarb plants can live productively for 10 to 20 years, and dividing the crowns every few years actually makes them healthier, not weaker. Why? Because rhubarb stores its energy in a thick underground crown, and splitting it forces new, vigorous growth instead of overcrowding. Takeaway: plant it once in rich soil, divide it every 4 to 5 years, and you'll have pie filling for 2 decades. Just remember, only the stalks are food. The leaves are toxic. That single fact saves gardeners a trip to the hospital every year. Most people stop researching perennials here. That's a mistake, because the next one might be the most underrated food plant in North America. Number 3. Sunchokes, Jerusalem artichoke. This plant is almost aggressive with how much it wants to survive. Sunchokes are a native North American tuber, and once planted, they spread and return year after year, sometimes whether you want them to or not. Here's the hidden insight: even if you harvest every single tuber you can find, the tiny pieces left behind in the soil regrow the following year. It's nearly self-perpetuating. Traditionally, indigenous communities relied on sunchokes as a reliable food source precisely because of this resilience. Practical tip: plant them somewhere contained, like a raised bed or a bottomless container buried in the ground, because they can take over an entire garden bed within a few seasons. Emotional payoff: a starchy, nutty vegetable that keeps multiplying with almost zero effort on your part. But here's where things get interesting: the next plant isn't a vegetable at all. It's a tree, and it might outlive you. Number 4. Fruit trees, apple, pear, plum. A single fruit tree planted correctly can produce food for 50 years or more. Most people think fruit trees are complicated. They're not. They're a long-term investment disguised as a short-term chore. The real secret is rootstock selection. Dwarf and semi-dwarf varieties fruit faster and stay manageable, while standard rootstocks grow massive and can outlive the person who planted them. Here's why it works. Once established, a mature fruit tree's root system can pull water and nutrients from deep in the soil, making it far more drought-resistant than annual crops. Practical takeaway: plant 2 varieties if possible, since many fruit trees need a different variety nearby for proper pollination. Imagine walking outside in 20 years to a tree you planted as a sapling, now heavy with fruit every single autumn. That's the payoff. What makes this different from everything else on this list? The next entry doesn't just feed you, it can heal you too. Number 5. Horseradish. Horseradish is nearly impossible to get rid of once it's planted. Most gardeners consider that a warning. Smart gardeners consider it a gift. A single root planted in spring can spread into a thriving patch that returns every year, indefinitely. Here's what most people don't realize. The roots you harvest in fall regrow completely from any small piece left behind, meaning you're never truly out of horseradish once it's established. Traditionally, horseradish root has been used for its intense flavor and as a home remedy for sinus congestion, though more research is needed to confirm specific health claims. Practical tip: contain it in a bottomless bucket buried underground, unless you want it to spread through your entire yard. The emotional payoff here is simple: a pantry staple that costs almost nothing after the first planting. But we're just getting started. The next plant produces food you've probably never even tried. Number 6. Good King Henry. This plant has quietly fed European households for over 500 years, yet almost nobody grows it today. Good King Henry is a perennial green, similar to spinach, that comes back reliably every spring without replanting. Here's the hidden insight. Unlike most greens that bolt and turn bitter in summer heat, this plant tolerates partial shade and poor soil, making it useful in spots where other vegetables fail. Why does this matter? Because most vegetable gardens waste their toughest, least fertile corners. This plant thrives exactly there. Practical takeaway: harvest the young shoots and leaves in spring, similar to how you'd use spinach or asparagus. The payoff is a nearly forgotten survival food, quietly producing greens year after year in soil other plants reject. Most people stop here thinking greens are boring. That's a mistake, because the next plant might be the single best investment on this entire list. Number 7. Berry Bosachs, raspberry, blackberry, blueberry. Here's the surprising part most gardeners never calculate. A single berry bush can produce for 15 to 25 years and pay for itself within 2 seasons. Raspberries and blackberries spread through underground runners, meaning one plant can slowly become dozens over time, completely free. Blueberries work differently. They need acidic soil. But once established, a mature bush can produce for decades with almost no additional planting. Why this works: berry canes regenerate from the root system every year, so even if the visible cane dies back, the plant itself doesn't. Practical tip: prune old canes each year to keep production high, since removing spent growth redirects energy into new fruiting canes. The emotional payoff is obvious: free berries every summer for longer than most people stay in one house. This is the plant most people wish they'd started 10 years ago. Don't make that mistake with the next one either. Number 8. Grapes. A grapevine, properly cared for, can remain productive for 50 to 100 years. Some vineyards in Europe are still producing wine from vines planted before certain countries even existed. Here's why it works. Grapevines develop an extensive root system that taps deep into the soil, making established vines remarkably drought-tolerant compared to nearly every annual crop. The hidden insight: the first 3 years are about building structure, not maximizing fruit. Prune hard early, and you're rewarded with decades of production later. Practical takeaway: build a strong trellis system before planting, because you're not building a garden, you're building infrastructure that will outlast the fence around it. Emotional payoff: fresh grapes, jams, and juice from a single decision made once. What comes next surprises most gardeners, because it isn't a plant most people associate with forever food at all. Number 9. Walnut and chestnut trees. Nut trees are the ultimate long-game investment. A walnut tree can live and produce for over a century. Chestnut trees have historically fed entire villages through hard winters. Here's what most people don't realize: nut trees convert sunlight into dense, storable, high-calorie food, meaning a single mature tree can produce hundreds of pounds of food annually without replanting, watering heavily, or tilling soil. Historically, chestnuts were so reliable that some regions of Europe depended on them as a staple food source during famine years. Practical tip: these trees need space and patience. Expect 5 to 7 years before significant production begins. The payoff is generational. You're not just planting food. You're planting a food source your grandchildren could inherit. But not every plant on this list takes years to pay off. The next one rewards you almost immediately. Number 10. Strawberries, everbearing perennial varieties. Most people treat strawberries like annuals. That's a costly mistake. Perennial strawberry varieties send out runners that root and create new plants automatically, meaning your strawberry patch can expand itself year after year without you buying a single new plant. Here's the surprising part. A well-maintained strawberry bed can remain productive for 5 to 7 years before needing renewal, and even then, you can replant using its own runners for free. Why this works? Each runner is essentially a genetic clone, rooting independently while still connected to the mother plant during establishment. Practical takeaway: let a few runners root each season to continuously refresh your patch, ensuring produce for years forever. Emotional payoff: sweet homegrown strawberries multiplying on their own, costing you nothing after year 1. The next entry isn't just food, it's one of the most expensive spices in the world, and you can grow it once and harvest it for a lifetime. Number 11. Saffron crocus. Saffron is famously one of the most expensive spices on earth. What most people don't know is that it comes from a perennial bulb you plant once. A single saffron crocus corm can multiply underground for years, producing new corms and therefore more flowers without replanting. Here's the hidden insight: each flower only produces 3 tiny red threads, which is exactly why saffron is priced so high. But once your bulbs multiply, your harvest multiplies with them completely free. Practical tip: plant corms in well-drained soil in late summer, and expect blooms in fall for years to come. The emotional payoff is almost poetic. A plant that essentially prints a luxury spice in your backyard indefinitely. Most people never even consider growing their own spices. That's exactly why the next one is such a hidden advantage. Number 12. Horseradish family GRENS, sea kale. Sea kale is almost unknown outside coastal Europe, yet it's one of the toughest perennial vegetables that exists. Once established, sea kale can survive salty coastal winds, poor soil, and neglect, returning reliably for a decade or more. Here's why it matters. This plant was historically foraged along British and European coastlines long before it was ever cultivated, meaning it's naturally built for harsh, low-maintenance survival. Practical takeaway: blanch the shoots in early spring by covering them from sunlight, producing tender, mild stalks similar to celery. The emotional payoff: a nearly indestructible vegetable thriving in the exact conditions that kill everything else. Most gardeners have never even heard of this plant, but the next one might already be growing wild near you. Number 13. Wild Leeks Ramps. Ramps are a spring delicacy that, once established, return year after year in the same patch, sometimes for generations. Here's the hidden insight: ramps grow slowly, often taking 5 to 7 years to mature from seed, but a properly maintained patch can then be harvested sustainably for decades. Why this matters: many foragers have wiped out wild ramp populations by overharvesting. Growing your own solves that problem entirely, giving you a guilt-free, self-renewing supply. Practical tip: plant in shaded, moist woodland-like conditions, mimicking their natural forest floor habitat. Emotional payoff: a wild, gourmet food quietly renewing itself in your own backyard without ever needing to be replanted. Most people think perennial food ends with vegetables. It doesn't. The next one is technically a vegetable, but it grows like a tree. Number 14. Artichokes. In the right climate, artichokes are perennial plants that can produce for 5 to 10 years from a single planting. Here's what surprises most gardeners: each plant produces multiple edible buds per season, and the root crown survives winter dormancy, sending up new growth every single spring. Why it works: artichokes store energy in a thick underground root system, similar to rhubarb, allowing the plant to regenerate reliably without receding. Practical takeaway: mulch heavily in colder climates to protect the crown through winter, extending the plant's productive lifespan significantly. The emotional payoff is unmistakable: a gourmet vegetable once considered a luxury item, growing reliably in your own soil for years. This brings us to the final plant on the list, and it might be the most important one of all. Number 15. The perennial herb garden: rosemary, thyme, oregano, chives. Perennial herbs are the quiet workhorses of a self-sufficient garden. Rosemary, thyme, oregano, and chives can all live for years, some for over a decade, providing fresh flavor without ever needing to be replanted. Here's the hidden insight: these herbs often become more flavorful and resilient with age, as their root systems mature and adapt to your specific soil and climate. Why this matters: store-bought herbs are expensive and often flavorless by the time they reach your kitchen. A single perennial herb patch replaces that entire expense permanently. Practical tip: divide clumping herbs like chives every few years to keep them vigorous and prevent overcrowding. The final payoff: a garden that seasons your meals for free every single year without a single replanting. A conclusion: 15 plants, 1 planting each. Years, sometimes decades of food. This isn't just a gardening trick. It's a completely different mindset, one where your backyard stops being a yearly expense and starts becoming a long-term asset. Most people will keep replanting the same annuals every spring, spending the same money, doing the same work year after year. But now you know better. You know that asparagus can outlive a decade of seasons, that fruit trees can feed your grandchildren, that a single strawberry runner can multiply into an entire patch completely free. Self-sufficiency isn't built in a single afternoon. It's built one perennial planting at a time, compounding quietly in your backyard while everyone else starts over from zero. So pick one plant from this list, just one, plant it this season and let it start working for you for years to come. If this opened your eyes to what your garden could really become, subscribe for more. And tell me in the comments which one of these 15 you're planting first. Your future harvest starts with the decision you make today.